Hello guys, welcome to Explorer Universe. If you are new, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon to get the latest video updates. So guys, today we are going to discuss a very strange topic. In India, there are many places where Indians are not allowed to visit. Yes, you hear it right. The places are located in India, but Indians are strictly prohibited to enter those places. So let us dive into the top places in India where Indians are not allowed to visit. Puno Inn Hotel in Bangalore. This hotel is located in Bangalore and is solely for the Japanese people in India. According to a report in a leading daily, the Great Bangalore City Corporation (GBCC) delved deeper into constant complaints from various Indians and have now got the racist hotel to shut down. Free Kasol Cafe. This cafe is located in Kasol, Himachal Pradesh. It is a very beautiful hill station with varied flora and fauna. This cafe came into existence every last year for the reason that the manager refused to allow Indians inside the premises. Russian colony, Kundankulam. According to several claims, the residential complex of the Kundankulam nuclear power project has a Russian colony where Indians are not allowed to enter. This colony accommodates many Russian citizens working for the power project and is self-sustaining with houses, hotels, clubhouses, etc. Red Lollipop Hostel, Chennai. This particular hostel is located in Mandavili and it is reserved for only expats and not Indian citizens. If you log on to their website, they proudly claim that it is one kind of hostel for the first time visitors in India. Admission by passport only. Foreigners only. Beaches and shacks, Goa. Some of the beaches and shacks in Goa are reported to stop Indian citizens from entering the premises. An ultra popular shack at Arambol Beach does not rent out its rooms to the Indians at all because they are perennial lechers. Foreigners only beaches, Puducherry. Going by similar stories and claims about the beaches in Goa, many an Indian has been asked to stay out of the few private restaurants and hotels on the beaches of Puducherry. The next couple of places are very dangerous to reach out. China occupied Arunachal Pradesh. There have been several stories coming from the northeastern paradise of our country stating that anybody with an Indian nationality is strictly barred from entering many areas that China claims as its own territory. Some parts of Arunachal Pradesh is captured by the Chinese military where it is very dangerous for an Indian to enter. Sasella, Daspang. Reportedly, areas beyond Sasoma, Sasella and the mountain bases in Daspang Lane do not qualify under the permit system. One requires Army and MHA permission. The best way to get the permission is widely known to be acquired foreign nationality and then pay a requisite fee. Aksai Chin. Aksai Chin is a region administered by China and as a part of the Tibet Autonomous Regions claimed by India as a part of Union Territory of Ladakh. This place is being controlled by Chinese military and it is very difficult for an Indian to reach out to these places. Vangar Fort, Rajasthan. This fort was built in 17th century by Raja Bhagwan Das for his younger son Madho Singh. This fort is said to be haunted and government has strictly prohibited the presence of humans after a certain time in the evening. This place is said to be haunted with spirits that show unusual paranormal phenomena. North Sentinel Island, Andaman. This island is a part of Andaman Island situated in Bay of Bengal but has separated from the main island. North Sentinel Island is a small island surrounded with amazing sea beaches, dense forests and coral reefs. This island has separated not because of its geographic structures but due to Sentinelese tribes inhabiting the island. They do not want any tourist or fisherman to enter this island. Malana village in Himachal Pradesh. Malana is an ancient Indian village which was established by Alexander the Great in 326 BC. Some wounded soldiers of the time who stayed back here considered as ancestors by the people of this village. The villagers are also known by the name Touch Me Not because no one is allowed to touch their belongings. Even people are restricted from entering the boundaries of this village. So guys, that was all about the strange places in India where Indians are not allowed to visit. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon to get the latest updates of my channel. Have a good day guys.